gentlemen, boys and girls, it's windy, it's cold, the water temperatures dropped drastically overnight. I'm hoping that triggers some sort of bite, more so than the last couple trips out. So stay tuned and let's see what we can do. Oh, we're kicking this party off right. Well, I guess it'll only be a party if the fish show up. But then again, you wouldn't be seeing this video if fish didn't show up. So obviously a fish showed up. Put this double hook rig out with 2 big chunks of chicken on it, just to see if maybe they'll bite something a little different than the cut bait I have out there. We're not going to toss it real far either. It's pretty deep right here in front of us. You can see it right there. Let's see what happens. Stuff it in this Walmart that I don't really trust that much. I broke my double hook rig off, so that's the end of 3 rods. Not that the bite was super hot in this spot, so I needed to have 3 rods out there to catch all the bites I was getting. That's pure sarcasm, but I'm not going to retie it in this wind, so 2 rods it is. I normally would have left by now, but I've got like the most confidence in this spot. I really love this time of year. It's just my favorite time of year. You can come down to the river, don't have to worry about people crowded around. You're not sweating. You're not getting eaten by bugs. I wish I could come down here and just see rods going off left and right. That would be awesome. You don't even have to be big fish, just keep catching fish all morning long. That would pretty much make my day. Alright, we're hooked up. Huge hook down. Feels like it's coming in. I hope it didn't come off. Coming right after. Feels pretty good. Alright, been decent channel catfish thing this morning here. Oh man, there's a drop in water temperature, pretty severe drop in water temperature every night. So I was hoping to come down here and look into a couple of these or a couple flatheads. I'm gonna go ahead and get him back. Appreciate the catch. Well folks, that's going to do it for me today. We caught 1 fish. I was really hoping for more, but it is what it is. That's just the way the cookie crumbles, I suppose. I'm truly grateful that I get to come out here and fish as much as I do, especially on days like this, beautiful days, aside from the wind. But I'm also truly grateful of the 2 or 3 viewers that I have to this point in the video. I really do appreciate it. And thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.